Welcome to viewers. This is Jahangir Alam from Text Jahangir YouTube channel. Today I have created a new video how to analyze data visualization in graph by Excel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, so thank you. Give a friend to chance watch the video by liking and sharing. Okay viewers, let's start with how to analyze data visualization in graph by Excel. Okay viewers, now we are going to how to analyze data visualization in the graph by using Microsoft Excel. At first we see what are our mean comparison table. My previous video we have seen two-factor or three-factor split plot research data analysis for ANOVA and mean comparison test. So it is our mean comparison sheet, and that is LSD all pair comparison test for plan height. That is swing time, irrigation, swing into irrigation, and variety, swing into variety, irrigation into variety, and their interaction showing irrigation and variety. It is three-factor agricultural experiment mean comparison sheet. So this sheet we transfer the Microsoft Excel file because this data is used for graph. So it is our graph format sheet showing time, plant height, stem diameter, start spacing, and harvest initial. It is our dependent independent variable, and it is main factor A swaying time, factor B irrigation level, factor C variety level, and this is interaction table swaying into irrigation, irrigation into variety, swaying into variety, and swaying irrigation and variety, their interaction, and all are the parameter. This table based from mean comparison sheet. Okay, and now we're going to graph format. Select this swaying and plan height, insert option, and this column, and it is our only one parameter. We can select this option y-axis and x-axis, and all are plan height, and we will also use standard deviation or standard error. Go layout and error bar option and more error bar options on both sides, and we use only standard error close. We can our standard error bar at top of the plan height level, but we cannot use this. We can use respect option. We cannot use this because it is average value of standard error, so we cannot use this standard error bar. We can use specify standard error option. So we can go more and more bar option and specify option. How we can our specific value, standard error or standard deviation value. Now we can go our Excel file. It is our Excel file using by ANOVA and mean comparison analysis. It is replication, swing times, irrigation, variety, and their dependent and independent variable. So at first we can find standard deviation in this table. First we can select this and go sort and filter option, and filter column B only swing. You cannot select all, only select S1 level, swing time level 1, and OK. And we can also its swing time and standard deviation effects. We can drag this plan height on the plan height, bracket close, enter. That is swing time 1. Then again we can go is swing time level 2 and STD standard deviation, plan height, drag, bracket close, enter. Again we can go only swing time 3 is equal to standard deviation, fx, function and drag plan height. Bracket close, enter. It is our standard deviation for swing time. Now we can go same procedure for irrigation and variety. Variety 3 is equal to standard deviation, fx function and plan height. Bracket close, enter. So we can complete swing time, irrigation and variety level only for plan height. And now we can go close filter and again select all parameter and filter option. Now you can go swing and irrigation level. Swing into irrigation. At first select swing only S1 and irrigation level only S1. So standard deviation, fs function and drag plan height. Again swing 1 irrigation level 2 is equal to standard deviation, fx, drag plan height, bracket close, enter. Now swing time 1 and irrigation level 3. Square standard deviation, fx function, standard deviation, plan height, bracket close, enter. Again swing time 2, irrigation level 1. Square standard deviation, fx function, plan height, drag, bracket close, enter. Now swing time to irrigation level 2. Standard deviation, fx function, drag plan height, bracket close, enter. Now irrigation level 3. Swing time to irrigation level 3. Standard deviation, fx function, plan height, bracket close, enter. Okay, now we are to swing time 3 and irrigation level 1. So is equal to standard deviation, fx function, drag plan height, bracket close, enter. Now go swing time 3 irrigation level 2 is equal to standard deviation, fx function, drag plan height, bracket close, enter. And now swing time 3 irrigation level 3. Standard deviation, fx function, plan height, bracket close, enter. Okay, our swing and irrigation interaction level complete. It is for standard deviation for swing and irrigation level. Now we can sort and find the option close. Now we can same procedure, irrigation and variety and swing into variety interaction. And now we are going to interaction of swing, irrigation and variety. Select this sort and filter option and filter. Now first we can swing on the S1, irrigation S1 and variety S1. STD, standard deviation, drag only plan height. bracket close, enter. Now swing time on, irrigation on, and variety level 2. std apex function drag plan height bracket close. Again, now go on variety 3. std standard deviation drag plan height, enter bracket close. Now we can go swing time on, irrigation level 2, then variety on, standard deviation apex function drag plan height bracket close, enter. Now go variety 2, std apex function plan height bracket close, enter. Same procedure, and swing time 2, irrigation level 2, variety 1, variety 2, variety 3. Thus our swing time 3, irrigation level 3, and last our variety 3 is equal to standard deviation apex function drag plan height bracket close, enter. Okay, swing into irrigation and variety interaction. That is all of the standard deviation. It is a plan height, independent variable, and paste there, paste. Okay, it is our plan height, standard deviation for swing time. Okay, it is our standard deviation, plan height for swing time, plan height for swing irrigation and variety interaction. All of the it is our standard deviation. So we can only drag this and all of the find out all the standard deviation. Okay, our standard deviation is okay. Our all parameter and interaction level complete standard deviation. So first we can select and copy there, then gap option is in there, right button click, pressure space value, and OK. Now again this we can irrigation, plan height for irrigation, select, copy, paste it there, right button click, value, and paste. Okay, it is our graph format Excel file. We can select swing time and graph plan height, chart column. We can select chart layout, y-axis and x-axis level, and we can layout format, standard error bar, more error options. Select both average, standard error bar, but we cannot select this. We can select custom and specify value, and a positive error value and negative error value. So we can select first positive, drag the plan height standard deviation, insert there, and again negative error option, standard deviation select, and import there. Now OK, and close this option. It is our single bar, that is plan height, and standard deviation, and the x-axis is plan height, y-axis is swing time. So again we can select swing time, plan height, and stem diameter option, insert column, and now OK. Two parameter on by one side. Now layout option and error option, more error bar option, and on select plan height and both custom specify value, select positive error value, that is input there, and negative error value input there. OK, close, and again close. Now more option and stem diameter, both side custom specified value, a positive error value, that is positive, insert there, again negative error value, insert there. We press OK, close. It is our plan height and stem diameter, and that is swing time. Same procedure another parameter. And first, and we can use this graph and live photometric move chart in sheet 2 parameter one by one side. Now we can select same procedure irrigation and variety. Now we can use interaction of sowing and irrigation. First select an interaction and their plan height. Same again two parameter we can select insert table, column, option and go y-axis and x-axis value, and but we cannot select this because our S1, S2, S the same procedure, but we cannot in this option we can select this option, that is S1, S2 and S3. So we can separate S1, that is irrigation 1, irrigation 2, irrigation 3, S2 level, irrigation level 1, 2 and 3, S3 level, irrigation 1, 2 and 3. So, and that is plan height and stem diameter. So we can select this and insert layout, column, insert column. So it is our chart. It is y-axis and x-axis level. It is irrigation 1, 2 and 3, that is S1, irrigation 1, 2, 3 and then S2, irrigation 1, 2, 3 and then S3. And also found we can standard error, same procedure, that is plan height, both sides custom specify positive value, we can select positive value, and again we can select negative value, same data. So plus OK, like it close, and now again we can move stem diameter to both side specify value, that is insert positive value, stem diameter, standard deviation, insert here, negative error, stem diameter, standard deviation, insert here, and OK. So close. So it is our name chart. We cannot select this, and plan height we can also upper side again. So it is our chart. So we can move the chart in a new sheet. Okay. Now we can have it same procedure in irrigation and variety level, swing into variety level. Now we can see swing, irrigation and variety interaction level. So it is our swing, variety interaction level and plan height parameter. Select this and go column. So it is x-axis level, x-axis level S1, S1, I1, V1, S1, I1, V3, V2, 3, etc. etc. But it is we cannot select this. We can same procedure, that is all swing time 1, irrigation level 1, 2, 3, irrigation level 1 divided by variety 1, variety 2 and variety 3, irrigation 2 divided by variety 1, variety 2, variety 3, irrigation seed variety 1, variety 2, variety 3, it for S1, it for S2 and it for S3, and it is our plan height. So we can copy this there, select paste value. Okay, so select this and insert column, and x and y axis. So it is our name chart. S1 divided irrigation 1, irrigation 2, irrigation 3, then variety 1, variety 3, variety 2, and irrigation level 2, 1, 2 and 3, and then variety 1, 2 and 3, and we can same procedure, standard error bar, both side, custom specified, standard error is standard deviation in plan height, positive standard deviation, and negative standard deviation, okay, insert, close. This is our standard deviation, so we can move the chart in new sheet. Okay, this is our analysis. We can select other option, that is another. So viewers, okay, thank you. It is our data visualization graph by Microsoft Excel. So thank you.